In this tutorial, you are going to learn more about Python and its strings. My name is Uddhav. I am a student at Genesis Global School. I am in 10th grade and I am 15 years old. I am making this YouTube channel as a part of my personal project. I have dedicated a lot of time in making these videos, so if you find them helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Quotes variable and set it up to Python for beginners. Now, earlier I told you you could use both single and double quotes to define a string, but there are some times when you have to use a specific form, otherwise you are going to run into problems. Here's an example. Imagine that you wanted to change this string and add double quotes to the beginners word. So if I just add double quotes here, you can see that my Python interpreter is going crazy. And this is because it thinks that this string is ending here and it doesn't know what to do with these letters. So we are going to fix this problem, and we are going to do this by replacing the single quotes for double quotes for single ones. So here we can do that, and we can also have double quotes here. So now as you can see, there is no issue with this, and let's go ahead and print this. So print open close parenthesis and quotes, and let's go ahead and run this app. And here we can see Python for beginners, and beginners also have double quotes in them. So let's change this to something simple so that I can show you something else which is really important for Python strings. Now here we are going to use square brackets to get a character and give an index in a string. So let's type print open close parenthesis and quotes, and here we need to add square brackets, and here we are going to write any number we want to print on the screen. So for example, I want to print p on the screen, so I will type 0. And this is because in Python the numbers, these letters are represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the space is also represented as a number 6, and so on 7, 8, and yeah. So if I want to print P on the terminal, I will have to put 0 in this. So let's go ahead and delete this and now run this. Here we can see P on the screen. We can also use negatives if you want to print the letter like which is before P. So because 0 represents P, then -1 should represent the last letter, which is S. Here as we can see the letter S, and if you change that to -2, it should represent R. Pay close attention to the square brackets because quite often it is the topic for online Python test or university exams. So if you're planning for a Python test, make sure to watch this tutorial one more time and understand exactly how these square brackets works. We can also use a familiar code to extract a few letters instead of one character. So for this, we are going to type 0:4, and we have to remove this minus sign, and let's go ahead and print this. So what's happening here? Basically in this command we are printing everything from the letter 0 till letter 4. I mean number. So basically this will print 0, 1, 2 and 3, but it will exclude the number 4 and it will not print O on it. So it will only produce P, Y, H, T and H. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.